Hello, welcome back. Habari yako? How are you doing? This is part 2 of the video about soko, which is market, if you remember from the previous video. And in this one, it's just simple showing you items you can buy in the market. Yeah, so let's get started. Please listen to the pronunciation. In this case, I just have the picture and the names in Swahili. And of course, you know the words in English, but I'll still say them in English. So listen carefully and let's get started. Thank you. Asante. So we have cabbage. In Swahili, we say kabeji, and some people say kabichi. So kabeji, kabichi. Tomatoes. Tomatoes, we say nyanya. 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 Uh-huh. Kitunguu saumu, kitunguu saumu. That is garlic. That is garlic. Kitunguu saumu. And that is if it's one, if it's plural, vitunguu saumu, vitunguu saumu. So kitunguu singular, vitunguu plural. Then we have viazi, viazi. Viazi are potatoes. Viazi. Then we have kitunguu or vitungu. In this case, onions, just regular onions. They can be the red one, the white ones, but we still call them vitungu. One is kitunguu, plural, vitungu. Then we have karoti, karoti. So carrots, as it sounds in English, karoti. So I'll read this slide again, the Swahili words. Kabeji or kabichi, nyanya, kitunguu saumu, viazi, kitunguu or vitungu, karoti, karoti. Then the second part, I have sukari, sukari, that is sugar. I have mkate or mikate. So mkate is one bread, mikate more than one bread. So mkate singular, mikate plural. Then we have chumvi, 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 that is salt. We have yai, yai is an egg, mayai, eggs, yai, mayai. Then we have mafuta ya kupika, mafuta ya kupika. In this case, that is cooking oil. Mafuta is any oil. And in Swahili, you have to specify, is it cooking oil? Is it, like body oil, hair oil, So that's why kupika is to cook. So cooking oil, mafuta ya kupika. Then we have pili pili. Pili pili, that is chili, the hot chilies, the green chilies, the red chilies. So pili pili, pili pili. And then we have milk, maziwa, maziwa, maziwa for milk. Again, I'll read the Swahili parts. Sukari, mkate, mikate, chumvi, yai, mayai, mafuta ya kupika, pilipili, maziwa. Then the third slide, I have rice. We say mchele, mchele. Mahindi is corn or maize. Mahindi, mahindi. Maharagwe, maharagwe. Beans, maharagwe. Flour, unga, unga. So any flour is unga. So if you want to specify like maize flour, corn flour, porridge flour, so you have to specify which kind of flour you're talking about. So, but in general, flour is unga. And then we have fruits, matunda, matunda, fruits. All type of fruits are matunda. Then we have zabibu, zabibu. Zabibu is one type of fruit, which is grapes. Zabibu ni matunda. Zabibu are fruits. So yeah, I'll read in Swahili. Mchele, mahindi, maharagwe, unga, matunda, zabibu, zabibu. More fruits. And if you remember, fruits, we said matunda. So I have nanasi or mananasi. Nanasi is one pineapple, mananasi is the plural. Then I have papaya. Of course, papaya is papaya. Then we have tufaha. Tufaha for an apple. Tufaha. Ndizi. Ndizi or banana. Ndizi. Tikiti maji. Tikiti maji. Watermelon. Parachichi or avocado. Well, in my case, I can just say avocado. So parachichi or avocado. Avocados. Embe or maembe. Embe, one mango. Maembe, mangoes. Again, I'll read the Swahili part. Nanasi, mananasi, papaya, tufaha, ndizi, tikitimaji, parachichi or avocado, embe, maembe. And yeah, these are a few. Of course, there are so many of the items. And if you want to learn more, please book Swahili private lessons with me. You can reach me via WhatsApp. You can also like my Facebook page. Also, for YouTube channel, please subscribe so we can continue learning Swahili together. Yeah, so also I have one more upcoming video related to soko. Please keep on the look for it. Asante sana. Kwaheri, tutaonana tena.